Hi, it's me again with laser tips and tricks. Just a little side note here, especially if you have a red dot pointer. This is very important, very good to know. My Epilog laser, both of them have had red dot pointers. And I ran out to the shop to run it. I've had a bad week of people, friends of mine, not personal friends, but friends of friends and parents and grandmothers dying. And I had 7 crosses to do, and I'm trying to save as much wood as I can. And you never know when you set a new home with your red dot pointer off your last job, is it going to fit or are you going to waste time? So, you've got your 7 crosses at the top of your laser bed and you're going to set your new home regardless of where they are in the bed, where the wood's going to be. You're just going to set that a new home, and that's going to be the new home like it is right here. So my suggestion in a case like this, especially if you have a red dot pointer, is to have all those selected and hold down the shift key and double click on your rectangle tool. That put a box around the crosses, exactly the top, the bottom, the side. Then I don't have a laser ever hooked up to this laptop, but take this job and with an Epilog print driver, you can press just selected. And if you have that rectangle selected, that red dot, let me just take this red dot, and with your lid open, will track through here and you can know that you're still on the wood. It's really comforting to know. I mean, look how I've got like a 1/4 inch of wood on both sides. I put my red dot pointer, let me make that thing a little bigger. I put my red dot pointer, up where it would be away from these crosses and these crosses. And when it comes around, you can know that it's going to be in your wood. Saves a lot of time. I've done it for just 1 cross to miss that knot hole. If I don't want that cross to miss that knot hole, or if I don't want that knot hole in my cross. So use that tool with the rectangle tool and the shift key. If you do it without anything selected and you double click on it, it puts an outline the size of your page. But if you have something selected, I don't care if it's a circle, and you have it selected and you hold down the shift and double click on the rectangle tool, it's going to put a box around that circle. Pretty useful. I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.